In this guide, I'm going to show you all the 9 hidden iPhone tips for seniors, and these are going to be hidden in plain sight. You're probably going to miss them if you skip this video. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you can do is actually open up the Measure app by swiping down and opening up Measure. And oh my gosh, I need to clean my desk right here. But you can measure different objects just like this by adding a point, dragging to wherever it is, and then ending that point. And it looks like we got 4 inches right here. And it's surprisingly super accurate. You can also switch to level right here if you want to see if something is level or not. Like if I go ahead and put my phone completely down, it actually looks like my desk is not perfectly level, but that also could be because my case is currently on as well. Next, and I particularly like this one, what you could do is open up the Notes app and you can scan your documents from within this. So open up Notes, select a new note right here, and what you can go ahead and do is tap this little paperclip right here, and then you can hit scan documents, and you can scan your document just like so, and it's going to save the page as a PDF on your notes. From here, what you can also do is go to back tap and turn this on. To do this, open up settings, and then you need to find accessibility on here. Open this up, and once you open this up, you need to go ahead and find touch. So scroll down a little bit, you're going to see touch, and then in here, you're going to see back tap. You want to go ahead and tick this on right here. Essentially, what this does is allow you to double tap or triple tap to do things like take a screenshot, open up the camera, turn on the flashlight. And you can also use your camera to read small text. If you take a photo and zoom in and then press and hold on the text, you can copy it. That's super helpful as well. You can also open up the control center and you can hold the flashlight button down just like so. Once you go and do this, you can adjust the brightness right here by turning it down, turning it up, and you can also go ahead and make it more straight or make it more apparent just like so. I'm shining this flashlight all over my desk right now. Another thing that you could go ahead and do is create keyboard shortcuts, and to do this you just need to go to your settings, you need to scroll down, you need to open up general, and then from here you're going to see keyboard on here. So scroll down a little bit, select keyboard, and then you can go ahead and create some keyboard shortcuts in text replacement just like so. Like OMW means on my way, right? I don't know why I added this. I think I added this forever ago. If you're getting spam calls, you can silence these, and these go for spam calls, scam calls, whatever it might be. Open up your settings, and you need to scroll down and open up your phone settings. So just search for phone on here. Look for this screen unknown caller option, and go ahead and put it on silence unknown callers right here. And for this call filtering, you can turn on unknown callers and spam, and you can go ahead and do that as well. That'll prevent you from getting spam calls. Now you can also go and share your location in messages. In messages, you can go to locations and you can share your locations here as well. Finally, you can customize your control center. So swipe down from the top right, go ahead and hold down, and then you're going to see add a control at the bottom. Select this and you can add different controls in here like a QR code scanner, text size, alarm, shortcuts from your apps, a bunch of different stuff in here that's worth adjusting to make everything easy for you. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.